Hello guys, today I'll teach you how to make a paper fidget spring toy. So these are the materials you need. 1, a A4 color paper, any color. 2, a pencil. 3, a glue stick. And 4, a scissor. 5, a ruler. So we'll start by taking the ruler and the pencil. So you put the ruler, measure it, and draw a perfect line like this. So you can barely see the line. Try to use a more sharpened pencil. So you cut the paper, trace it on the line. And you take this piece, and after you put it on top here, and after you do another line like this. This time you don't need to rule it, you just use the same paper you cut now. Now cut the same thing. So we're done with the paper. You take these two lines, put it like this, and after you take the glue stick, any brand, and glue it over here on the edge of one paper. And after you take the other paper and glue it here. So it's supposed to be like this shape, a upside down L. And now you take this paper, put it this shape, and after do this, and then this. And you keep repeating the same thing until you get to the end. Okay, when you reach the end like this, you take this piece, and after you put some glue, and after you pulled it, if you get some extra, you could cut it off. So now we got a spring toy like this. If you want, you can make it bigger. So you do the same thing, repeat the stuff. got another one. After you take the two pieces, and after you glue it together. So you take one piece, put it like this, glue it. You have to take the other one, put it like this. Now we got this. We can make a lot of stuff with this thing. Okay, voila. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.